guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today I'm here not for the German series, not a Q&A session, nothing but super excited and super amazing and great news for you all, for my GG family, because just because of you, I have done this and I am here. So I just want to share something of very big great news for you all. So are you excited to know? Let's get started. So guys, let me tell you, German Gyan is my first thing which I have done in my career. Like I have my own institute, my own company which I'm running, and we are teaching German worldwide. Not only in India, not only in Delhi, not only in some limited states, not only in Germany, but worldwide, and which is a great achievement for me, and this is just because of you also. Thank you so much, because if you will be not there to help me, to support me, to show so much love to me, then it will be impossible for me. And guys, similarly, we have started with the IELTS training also. So we are giving IELTS training also worldwide. Last week we have started a new venture. I have taken over a new company which is Plan Traveling. This is a travel company. So guys, yes, I have started a new takeover, new business, new startup, a Plan Traveling, a travel company. The name is Plan Traveling. So guys, this is like, I have thought that why not to start this, because so many of you ask me about German tickets, German packages, Germany and so on. Plus once the vaccine is there, the traveling will be on a high pitch. So I thought this is a perfect time and let's help you out, because I'm having such a big family. It's a blessing for me that I can help you out in the very reasonable price. The ticketing part to Germany, Germany to India, Germany. So it will be amazing, as I know that everyone can miss anything, but traveling is a must for everyone, because people do earn for traveling. They love traveling, as I also love traveling. So why not? I'm here to help you now onwards to make your own memories. You can book tickets from Plan Traveling. You can make the customized packages for traveling, hotel stay, not only in India, not only in Delhi, not only in Germany, but worldwide. So guys, stay excited, stay happy. And now if you want to plan your trip, then one and only Plan Traveling. Now if you want to plan your holidays or anything, then of course you are having a known person with you all, me, Nidhi Jain. So guys, if you want to book your holidays, anyone honeymoon packages, anyone education packages, anyone who want to travel worldwide, Germany to India, India to Germany, Delhi to Manali, Manali to Kasol, anywhere, Plan Traveling is there to help you. You can see the two business numbers on your screen. There are the 2 email IDs I'm giving you. You can see in the description also. And please guys, follow Plan Traveling on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. From now onwards, you will be watching travel blogs also on my another channel, which is Nidhi Jain. So guys, stay tuned. This is German Gyan channel. Another one is It's Nidhi Hai channel. It's Nidhi Hai channel is a live blogging channel. I do daily blogging. I do real talks video. I do so much fun on that. And this channel is devoted for only and only my GG family, German family. So yes guys, stay tuned, and I am super happy to announce that finally German Gyan is there to help you out in travel services. Also the whole customized package, everything, whatever is your requirement, just mail us and we will be helping you in a 24 hours. So guys, are you loving it? Because personally I'm just loving this thing. Thank you God for so much love. Because of you I am here. God bless you all. Thank you so much for giving me such a grateful life, so that I can do so much and fulfill all my dreams. So yeah, thank you. Keep watching German Gyan, and on Saturday new video is coming up. So stay tuned. See you on Saturday. Till then, stay happy and love you all.